Friends, now let us see the preparation of alkene from quaternary ammonium salt. So, when the quaternary ammonium salt is heated, the OH minus abstract the beta hydrogen, eliminates the water molecule, and alkene is obtained as the product. Okay, so it's a quaternary ammonium salt, and this nitrogen is attached with the 4 alkyl group 1, 2, 3, and this is the entire alkyl group having the positive charge, and this molecule is associated with OH minus as the negative charge. Okay, so here the OH minus act as a base. It's take away this beta hydrogen, and at the same time the cleavage of this carbon nitrogen bond, and this group is removed as a trialkylamine, and at the same time this bond electron is displaced from here to here, form alkene or ethylene plus water molecule and trialkyl amine. Okay, now if 2 beta carbon having hydrogen are available, then elimination from either the site produce 2 different kind of the alkene, and according to the Hofmann rule, the less substituted alkene is obtained as the major product. So it's exactly opposite to the Sadjev rule, right? Hofmann says that whenever 2 beta carbon are available for elimination, right, the less substituted alkene is obtained as the major product. And let us see, this is the example of quaternary ammonium hydroxide salt. Okay, and this nitrogen having this carbon connected to the nitrogen is alpha, and this is the beta. Here this is the alpha and this is the beta. So the base can take away this beta hydrogen, and cleavage of this bond leads to the formation of this ethylene. And if the base, it takes away this beta hydrogen from here, and at the same time the cleavage of this bond leads to the formation of this propene, 1 propene as the product. Okay, so it gives the 2 different kind of the alkene, but according to the Hofmann rule, it says that less substituted alkene is the major product. Okay, so what is the reason, right? Why it is so? Why the less substituted alkene here is the major product, whereas in Sadjev elimination, Sadjev rule, it says that the more substituted alkene is obtained as the major product. So here because here it's a quaternary ammonium base, okay, quaternary ammonium salt, so it's a larger and bulkier group. It is attached with the 4 alkyl group. So due to the steric hindrance, it would be very easier for base to access the primary hydrogen instead of secondary hydrogen, right? Since there will be the less steric hindrance, and it can more easily, the base can more easily take away the primary hydrogen, and leads to the product, that is less substituted alkene as the product. And when it takes away the primary hydrogen, right, the carbanion negative charge is produced on this carbon. Okay, so it produces the carbanion character, and as we know, the stability of carbanion, the primary carbanion is more stable than secondary than tertiary, right? So if it takes away the hydrogen from the primary carbon, right, primary hydrogen, it takes away the primary hydrogen, then it produces the more stable, so it is more stable, okay, than secondary carbanion, and in turn tertiary carbanion. Okay, so since the stability of carbanion, that is primary greater than secondary than tertiary, and since primary carbanion is more stable than secondary carbanion, base would likely to take away the primary hydrogen, right, instead of secondary hydrogen, and produce less substituted alkene as the major product. So you must remember that in Sadjev elimination or Sadjev rule, the more substituted alkene is favorable, it is obtained as the major product, whereas here the less substituted alkene is obtained as the major product, right? So in case of Sadjev rule, it's a haloalkane, and here in case of Hofmann elimination, Hofmann elimination, it's a quaternary ammonium salt. So whenever there is quaternary ammonium salt and the elimination, beta elimination, leads to the less substituted alkene according to the Hofmann rule. Okay.